Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madalena and this is MadLife. Today I have for you a new video how I do my nails. Now they're the new nails because I'm filming this intro after I did my nails. I will show you how I do my nails at home because I think it's really expensive to go out and do your nails every time, especially if you're like me and you break them, I don't know, every week. I usually change my nails every 2 weeks or depends when I feel like it. If I'm working and I break my nails in the metal containers at work, I just have to do it again. And it's quite easy to do it at home and it's cheaper. You buy some stuff once and then you just have them for the rest of the year, or I don't know, depends how often you do them. And let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this is everything you need to do your nails at home. I got this pink lamp. It's an UV lamp. It has a timer to put it on 2 minutes or infinitive. And then when you put it on timer, you have to press this button and it goes for 2 minutes. And then an electric file. I use it to file my nails like this. I don't use a special liquid to take off my nails. I just file it. This is cleaner. I don't like to use different ones, so I use this one as base and top coat. And then I have my red color. Some cotton to wipe my nails from dust and at the end. This cuticle pusher, a normal file, a file for gel or whatever you want to use. This one, it's for your own nail. And this is an oil to put after you finish on your cuticles to hydrate them. This is the kit that comes with the electric file. And you can use different tops, but I use just this normal one for filing my nails, and I'll show you in a second how I do it. Okay, so as you probably can observe, I already cut my cuticles 3 days ago, so that is done. Now I will begin by filing my nails. I will use this file and you can modify the speed. You can go really fast or you can go really slow, depends how you feel comfortable. Let's start! Now the first nail is done. And I'll continue with the other ones. I filed all my nails. As you can see, they look horrible. Next, I like to take a file like this and just file it until it's gonna be smooth and give a shape. As you can see, now it looks a lot smoother. And I do the same for the rest of the nails. If you see a gap like here, I will just file it until it's gone. Like this. I think you can see a bit of a difference between the filed nail and the unfiled one. Now I do the same thing for the other hand. I broke my nail. It's actually a tip, so I will show you how to... Ooh, I broke another one. Yeah, I have to put 2 tips for this too. But first I will file the other nails to give them the length and shape that I want. This cotton ball and the cleaner to wipe all the dust from my nails. apply a thin layer of base coat on my nails, only my left hand first. Before I put my hand into the lamp, I will clean around the nails with this cuticle pusher. Now that the base coat is cured, I will put the first layer of color, and make sure that you don't put a lot of it because it can get creased. After I applied my first layer of color, I put my hand into the lamp, and after that I applied the second layer of color, and then it's time for the top coat. And then we go again with the cleaner, which takes the sticky layer off the nails. And I will do the same thing for my right hand off camera, and I will show you the final result. Okay, so 1.5 hours later, because that's how much it takes to finish my nails, I am done. Like I said, I'm not a professional in doing nails. This is how I do it. It works for me for so many years, so I thought I would share it with you guys. I think they turn out quite good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, consider to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!